Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the April 2018 Boxycharm for you guys. Here it is. I can't wait to show you what's inside. This has to be my favorite box to date. All the products are lit. I cannot wait to show you what's inside the box. So if you're interested to see what I received this month, then keep on watching. Let's get into it. So for those of you who do not know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products for $21 per month. They get delivered straight to your door and it's pretty awesome. They are always full-size products, and if you're already subscribed to a box like Ipsy or the Sephora Play where you get the travel and sample size, you might want to think about switching to Boxycharm. This video is in no way paid or sponsored or anything, believe me, but I just know from personal experience that when I switched to Boxycharm, my life changed. The first item that came in my Boxycharm this month is from Tarte. It is the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. Mine came in the shade Stunner. This product retails for $29, and I kind of just want to show you guys a little bit here of what this looks like. As you guys can see, it is beautiful gold pigment, and I actually am wearing it right now underneath my foundation. I just slabbed a bit on my hands, rubbed them together, and massaged it into my face almost as I would a primer, and it has really given me this awesome looking glow that I have. So loving this so far. The second item that came in my box this month is the My Little Pony ColourPop eyeshadow palette. This retails for $16, and here are the shades. I wanted to bring you guys in a little bit close so that you could see that's actually what I'm wearing on my eyes. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing on my eyes. I love it. It's extremely pigmented. The shimmers are awesome. The mattes are also highly pigmented. I want to do a little, let's see. So as you guys can see, they are extremely pigmented. ColourPop, you killed it with this one. The third item that came in my box this month is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. You get 1 ounce of product in here, and this retails for $47. So far I'm loving this mask. I used it one time and it worked. Like, it had my pores snatched. So if you guys want to see a little, like a mini tutorial on my YouTube channel of what this product did for me, comment down below. But if not, who gives a shit, right? The fourth product I received in this month's box is the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks Insta Tinted Brow Gel with microfibers, and mine came in the shade Brown Hair. This retails for $22. Please excuse my busted ass nails. This is what the brush looks like. Believe it or not, this is actually the only thing that I'm wearing on my brows right now. It for sure helped to add volume and texture, and it helped to make my eyebrows look super thick. So far, I'm loving it. Last but not least, I have this high definition liquid lipstick from Adesi, New York. This is a brand that I have not heard of before, but yeah, I really love this lipstick. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. Let me see. Forget what the shade name is. There is no shade name, but this is what it looks like here. It's actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. So it's shiny. It's very comfortable to wear. I'm going to swatch it for you. And let me just say one thing about this liquid lip. At first I was super turned off because, as you can see, even when I did the swatch, it was hard for me to get it started. Like, this is a very thick lip gloss. However, it doesn't feel thick on your lips, but besides the point. This doe foot is extremely flexible, so when you apply it, you have to go slowly. I did this look without any lip liner, which is shocking to me because it is extremely precise. Like, if you just use the doe foot like this, and allow it to glide along your lip line, you will get a great application. I did this with no lip liner. I can't believe it. Like, no touch-ups, nothing, and it looks bomb as. Thank you guys so much for watching my April Boxycharm unboxing. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to leave that link right over here. And go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.